For all you beginners out there, we've gathered a list of templates that will get you started with Premiere while adding an extra bit of spice to your videos. Sit back, relax, and take some notes while we present to you our countdown of 10 fun Premiere Pro templates for beginners. All items featured are available on Envato Elements, a subscription-based platform with millions of digital creative assets for businesses and individuals. You'll find stock photos, footage, graphic and video templates, royalty-free music tracks, plus much more. Click on the link in the description to start browsing our catalog and select a plan that suits your needs. Number 10. Callouts by Flickmotion. This is a great template for displaying information about a specific item in your video. One of the main features of this item is that the text boxes automatically resize to fit your type. Make it our go-to template for callouts. Number 9. Dope Transitions by Candy Mustache. This is an extremely popular pack, and it boasts over 400 transitions to choose from. With 4 choices of speed, and each with its own unique sound effect, you'll easily be able to bring style and excitement to your projects. It's just the professional boost you're looking for. Number 8. Glitch Opener VHS by Archidix. This template recreates the iconic look of the VHS tape cassettes. The interlaced scan lines, noise overlays, and image distortion will add grit and texture to any footage and send you to another decade. Number 7. Loku News Elements by Motion Revolver. If you're getting started on Twitch or doing some live streaming, this template is flexible enough to help you out. 7 pre-designed graphics are available in a 2-tone color palette that makes them easily customizable to match any logo. Number 6. Modern Lifestyle by MediaStock. Sleek, cinematic, easy to use and elegant, Modern Lifestyle is an opener that gives all the attention to the text while still bringing out the best in your photos. Use it to see grain, light leaks, and parallax effects added to your media, giving movement to your opening sequence. If you're enjoying our content, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato channel. Don't forget to click the notifications icon so you never miss one of our videos. Number 5. Vintage Memories Slideshow by Motion Media Group. Bring character and life to your photos with Vintage Memories Slideshow, a template with a compelling retro-style look that's full of depth and emotion. Perfect to use as a travel diary or a photo album for special occasions such as anniversaries, graduations, and more. Number 4. 15 Wedding Titles by GeorgeFX. This pack is perfect for people who want to create stunning wedding videos. These classic titles will let you streamline your video making process while adding production value to the project. A wonderful addition to your toolbox that will please the bride and groom. Number 3. Minimal Glitch Titles by Powerbank. Glitch effects are super popular in video today, from subtle color shimmers to heavy, wavy distortion. If you're looking to add a tasteful glitchy title to your next project, this minimal template has you covered. It's easy to use and will look great on product promos, tech videos, or action-filled sequences. Number 2. Dynamic Upbeat Opener by Powerbank. Dynamic Opener is a modular template that will let you mix and match scenes to build your dream YouTube intro or product promo. Just drop in your media to one of the 150 placeholders and start creating your own rhythmic intro for your projects. Number 1. Clean Title Reveal by Creative. Exactly what the name promises, a clean title sting that makes your text the center of attention. The white backdrop, optical flares, and the overall final product will keep your audience wondering, how did they do it? Thankfully, the download file includes a tutorial to help you get started in no time. And there you have it, 10 fun Premiere Pro templates for beginners. Which one was your favorite? Join the conversation and leave us your answer in the comments below. Please like this video if you found our content useful and subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop. Hang around to watch more content we've created just for you by clicking on the thumbnail on the right of your screen now. See you next time.